Yo, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Buenos dias. Today we starting off the vlog. My brother right here.
Hey, what's up?
Don't miss a batch, bro.
No.
So I just had to cancel my first batch. It was a 54. Yo, it was like what, like 20 cases of 12-pack sodas?
Yeah, in apartment.
To an apartment. I canceled that. But then right when I canceled it, I got 4-6. I got lucky, man. I don't know how you didn't see that one.
Yeah, you got it. Look.
You better
Show me nothing.
Come on, get a banger right here for the vlog. Get a banger for the vlog. Here it comes. Come on. Watch this. Oh! You know another reason why I love shopping early in the morning? Look at this. Just nobody here. La da 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 da. Look at that. Nobody here. We're just chilling. Easy. One other Instacart shopper right there. That's it. Look at this. So peaceful. I can moonwalk in this. The camera's about to die, so it's raining outside and I'm delivering a 22 right now. We swiped a $22, 18 items, 2 miles away batch. Love those type of batches. And yeah, we're delivering that right now, so that's what we're doing. But look at this, disgusting out. No. What's up, fam? So we in Bella's car right now. All right, and I'm sitting at $91 before the drop. So we in good shape. Bella's sitting at the goose egg right now. Bella got the goose egg, but she started late, so she just came out. All right, fam, so while me and Bella was eating, right over there, we were just eating right now. I missed an 85, she missed the 85, but it was because I had my fork in my mouth. I'm telling you, I was like this, seen the batch, dropped the fork, tried to swipe it, missed it, but it is what it is. I got a 38 double. 17 items. Costco 85 was probably a lot more work. So this one's gonna be easy. 38 double, let's get it. Okay, so my camera died, but I did take the worst batch of my life. It made me stop doing Instacart for the rest of the day. I mean, look at this batch. I had to take pictures with my cell phone. This is a Costco order that I did for none other than $38. Wow. 38, 44. Look at the items on this Costco batch. 50 items, 57 units. Took me an hour and a half. The only thing good about this batch was it was 2.9 miles away. But besides that, I would never, ever take a 38, 50 item Costco. But it's all good, because look what happened yesterday. Spoiler alert. Today, I swiped a $170 plus batch. Watch to the end. It's 6 a.m. It's 6 a.m. and we starting the day off with a 26. Double trouble. Long as it ain't no triple. This is doable. I could tolerate the doubles. 26 double. Start the day off. Let's get it. Team, run it up. You already know what it is. Let's go. We back at the store already. Quick. That was an easy batch, but it went down like, why $5? It went down $5. I refunded one thing or whatever. It is what it is. We just swiped a 31, I think it was 33, 31. Single shop, 33 items. So $1 per item pretty much. Let's go ahead and crush it. Let's get it. Team, run it up. Yo, I just swiped, I think the fourth or fifth biggest batch I've ever done, ever. I just swiped it. $176 batch, one order, one customer, 89 units. I mean 89 items, 191 units, almost 200 units. But who cares? It's 176. Woo! Yeah, and I swiped it. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I swiped it on the road. Like, I swiped it on the road. Like, I'm like, listen. It was at the red light. The light turned green, and I refreshed, and I was about to start driving. 176. I pressed my brakes again. I'm not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. Swipe that 176. Not gonna lie, I don't suggest anybody do that, but you know what I mean? The light turned green, and then I was about to go, seen 176, stopped the car, swiped it, got it. So yep, that's what we're doing right now. 176. Let's get it. Team run it up. Crazy. All right, so we just pulled up to the store. 176. This is probably gonna require 3 carts. Almost 200 units. I've been doing this long enough to know that's a lot of units. So hopefully we can get it away with 2 carts, but it's most likely gonna be 3. Yeah, maybe we can get away with 2 big carts, but I don't want to push around 2 big carts, so I'm gonna be hard-headed. All right, so a quick update. We only been in here a couple minutes, but I just finished the produce. Excuse me. Look, that's the produce cart. Just this cart full of all the produce. Crazy. Now we gotta fill this bad boy up. Let's get it. Okay, everything was going fine until she ordered 10 cat litters. And then it just got weird. It just got weird from here. Oh my goodness. So here we are. Thanks, man. I'm good, brother. Okay. Hey, thanks for the help, man. Yeah. And here's the finished result, fam. All right, so the first part is done. The shopping part, which took like an hour and like an hour and 10 minutes or something crazy. Now it's gonna take another 30 minutes just to get in the car. Nah, not 30, but yo, it's a lot of stuff, man. All right, let's get this delivered. Team run it up, let's get it. Oh, yo, I cannot say that this was easy. The last items had to go in the front. This is ridiculous. Oh my gosh, yo. I honestly cannot say that this batch was easy, but I can say that it was worth it. Let's get it. This had to be one of the longest drop-offs I've ever had that I had to 2x the speed. Check this out.